Our account executive picked up the phone on the first ring yesterday. Boer Consultants, how may I help you? The caller says, well, did you finally find your phone? Our account executive, not expecting that kind of gruff voice, said, pardon me? The caller said, I said, did you finally find your phone? The account executive, deciding someone must have the wrong number because we don't typically get yelling callers, says, who are you calling? The caller again, I'm calling Boer Consultants. What's your website? Or don't you have one? The account executive says, yes, sir, we do. It's Booher.com, B-O-O-H-E-R. The caller says, then that's the problem. He slammed down the phone. Now, reading between the lines, our account executive finally determined that the caller must have been upset because he had the wrong website address and had been unable to find us on the web on his initial attempt. Our account exec phoned our receptionist to discover that the phone had rung only 3 times on her desk, granted more than we like, and before she could hang up on another call and pick up this customer's call, it had rolled to the account exec, who had picked it up on the 4th ring. Thus, that angry comment from the caller, did you finally find your phone? The point of the story, customers are growing more and more impatient, even when their calls are handled live, even when the questions are answered completely, and even when information is sent promptly. When the pace accelerates and their web search presents problems for them, they become irate.